Welcome! If you want to customize always on display in your Samsung Galaxy S21, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down until we find lock screen. Then click on the always on display, and as you can see at the first we can set our AOD on the always as schedule or tap to show for the 10 seconds. I think that the best option is this one. We can also show music information on the lock screen. It's really very useful. And we can change the clock style. Currently is this one, but we can easily change it. As you can see here, we got a lot of themes of the always on display, so you have to decide what you want to get. I would like to get this one, and of course we are able to change the colors of the captions. Let's for example pick this one, click done, and of course as you can see here we got another option. We can set the always on display GIF, so let's add this one for example right here, and we can also choose from the gallery or for the themes, so you can get others. Let's get this one, click done, and right now we can lock the device, and as you can see here we got this cool always on display on Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!